Today I'm going to show you how to make that good Southern potato salad. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share with your friends. Thank you for coming to Tallahassee Real Estate Baker. Just in time for 4th of July, I'm going to show you how to make a good Southern potato salad. No raisins, I promise. I don't know who does that. I've never done it. I've never seen it in person. Peel some potatoes and we'll cut those up and get those ready for boiling. All right, so I've got my taters cut up. I'm gonna throw some cold water on those, salt it, and put it on the cooktop. All right, got the taters in the water and getting them up to boiling. I'm gonna cut up a white onion. I use this little chopper here. I love this little thing. Some of my little blades got bent, so it's not perfect, but it's better than trying to hand dice these little gherkins up, which I used to do when I first started making this. So you just throw it in there. You can line up a bunch of them. So, and now for family or friends who are watching this, that I always make this for, yes, it's my mom's recipe. The same one I bring to every cookout, family reunion, whatever. This is it. So I like, my potato salad, I do a lot of pickles, a lot of eggs, and the onion for that bite. All right, let's build our potato salad. So you got your potatoes. I put a little bit of butter and salt in the water. Boil these up till they're soft. Got the onions. I've got some boiled eggs. We got the pickles, and then we're gonna put it together. All right, here we go. So I leave my potatoes in the chunks I've cut them in, because that way as you're mixing everything in, it kind of mashes it up, and also you'll get a little bit of a bite of potato in the potato salad. So we'll do that. I'll do the onions. Then we throw the pickles in there, sweet gherkins. Easy for cleanup. Keep it nice and moist. Apologize, I know that's not the word a lot of people like. Start off with a cup of mayonnaise, and then if needed, I will add more as we're going along. Add about a tablespoon of mustard, salt, pepper. Give that a stir. And one thing I do is I boil extra eggs, because the ugly ones that don't peel as easy, I smash those in there for the potato salad. And then the really nice ones I like to use for the garnish, because I'll show you I cut it and then I put paprika all over it. Throw your eggs in. Give that a stir and mix. Having to mix this if I think it's too dry, so I'm gonna take a little bit more mayonnaise, a scoop of the old Dukes. Throw that in there. Anytime I do a little mayonnaise, I do a little mustard. Now you got the recipe right before 4th of July. Make some homemade potato salad and impress everybody, because it's that good. Everything mixed up and seasoned. Throw your potato salad into your pan. Now for presentation, paprika, and just kind of sprinkle. And there you go. Potato salad ready to go. See you next time.